大家好，周末愉快。Hello everyone, happy weekend. 我们现在一起复习一下星期一我们的小考。Now let's review and prepare for Monday's quiz. 好，第一个词 The first word 在在王鹏在家吗？ We learned this character in the past as well, used as a preposition. For example, in this sentence, 我在图书馆看书 I'm studying at the library. 好，第二个词下 below 午 noon. Okay, because this is handwriting on a whiteboard online, so it's a little bit difficult to control. I'm going to erase this a little bit. So pay attention, you should not stick out here. So 下午 below and noon afternoon. So the whole word means afternoon. Even this horizontal line, let me see whether I can do a better job here. Okay. Here you go. Much better. Okay. Now, let's look at the next one. Kai Hui. Kai. Let's have two lines. Okay, again, here we don't want it to stick out. Okay, Kai means to open. Hui, meeting. So Kai is a verb, and Kai Hui together means you have a meeting. Okay, 开会. And the next one is very important for our life. Okay. 时 time 间 space between two objects 时间 means time. Okay, so you can see both characters share one character in common, which is 日. Okay, 好, let me try to highlight it, but you know what I mean here. Okay, 日. The one on the left and on the right in this character, the one inside the rectangle, which means door, 门, 时间. 你有时间吗? Do you have time? 我没有时间. I don't have time. Okay. Now, let's look at the very last one. This time it's a long one because I don't have enough space here, so I'm going to write in a vertical way. 好, let's start from the first character. 打 This is a hand as a radical. This is actually also a character. The one on the right, 丁 Ding could be a last name. Okay, now the next character, 电 electricity. We have 电视电影. Okay, now you can joined this line together. This is not written in a very nice way, but basically you get the idea. Now, the very last character, 话, speech as a radical. This is a character means tongue. So when you speak, you need to use your tongue to make a speech. The whole word is pronounced as 打电话, to make a phone call. I apologize for the bad handwriting because I'm using my pen on my phone to write this. If you want to have a more clear idea about how each character is written, please refer to the vocabulary part from our textbook, or you can refer to the characters in your character workbook. Okay, have fun.